quick little video of this top going up and down.
Did you hear that thing idle nylon? This car is just so cool.
It is.
Okay, so we'll put the top down. We can figure out what button to press. Oh, that's it.
And this does have a boot to go with it. I took a couple pictures of it. It is white.
And I love that top. It is brand new this year.
Okay. There she is. So it is fully automatic, and then we just have some clips that we clip in to seal the top in right there. Awesome.
Okay, let's go for a ride.
There you go.
Okay.
Alrighty, here we are.
We have I believe it's 70, right?
Yes.
Cutlass Convertible Supreme. 4 brand new tires. Brand new exhaust system, which you're going to see when the car gets lifted up in the air. Air conditioning system is brand new. And it's 98 degrees out here. Here and I are sitting in this car, no problem. Which is really a feat for some of these older cars because they don't have updated air conditioning.
Sure.
So we got also a brand new top. The top mechanism and the vinyl top are brand new. Tune up, gas tank's brand new. All the fuel lines are done. So this car was owned by the original person. So we're going to take it for a nice little spin. As you can see, it shifts out really good. She's got tilt steering in her too, so you can tilt that wheel, which is nice. Disc brakes on the front, which are nice. Everything in the car works except for the clock, obviously now. So many of them don't.
Sure.
So let's take it for a quick little spin, get her to shift out into the gears, and then we'll get her up on the way.
Alrighty.
What a nice car. Nice, solid driving car. 3-speed automatic transmission.
It's a comfortable ride for sure.
Yeah, old school, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it really is. Get that big car feel. I mean, look at, I mean, if we were dating, this would be good. You should be a little closer. Right? But there's room if you want it, right?
Right.
All right, so we'll get down the road again, and then I'll accelerate it up, 50, 60 miles an hour. Feel it shift in the gears. Now she's in her 3rd gear.
Beautiful.
And then we'll go show it what it looks like on the bottom.
Okay, sounds good. Stay tuned.
Like I was saying on the test ride, brand new tank, tailpipes, muffler system, all brand new. Tires are brand new too. This year, within 2 months ago. Just if you're looking for a real eye-catcher car, one that you can drive down the street with some ice cold air conditioning on an 80, 95 degree day like it is here today, this is your car.